Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Vermaye, a jewelry brand offering handmade necklaces and earrings inspired by Greek mythology and zodiac signs. They focus on recycled gold and silver, which is great for anyone who wants to save the planet while looking like an ancient deity. Each piece is designed to reflect powerful female figures, making the collection feel meaningful and unique, because nothing says empowered woman like a necklace that might actually be a myth itself. The big question is Vermaye legit, or are they just playing games with your wallet? Let's find out together. On the bright side, they have a solid social media presence. They're active on Facebook and Instagram, showing they actually enjoy talking to their audience instead of just shouting into the void. The website has also been around since May 2023, which in the world of internet scams makes them practically ancient. Most fly-by-night operations disappear faster than my motivation on a Monday morning, so staying active for over a year is a somewhat reassuring sign. However, don't start clearing out your jewelry box just yet, as there are some shadows in this Greek tragedy. Now for the red flags, and there are a few. While their website tells a long, poetic story, there's almost zero information about who actually runs the place. We tried finding the founder, but they're more elusive than a decent parking spot in the city. Usually, legit brands share a bit about the humans behind the business, but here, the lack of transparency is a bit of a mood killer. Then there's the contact info. They list an email, an address, and live chat, but live chat is just a fancy term for automated replies. It's basically a digital ghost town where no real human can hear you scream about your missing earrings. When it comes to reviews, the ones on their own site are suspiciously perfect. There isn't a single negative comment, which is about as realistic as a Hollywood rom-com. Over on Trustpilot, they have a 3.1-star rating, which is the C- of the internet. Not a total disaster, but certainly nothing to brag about to your mother. Customers are split. Some love the packaging, while others are complaining about long delivery times, hidden taxes, and expensive returns. Some people even claim they never receive their orders at all. So what's the bottom line? Vermaye has some good signs, like their age and social media activity, but the missing founder info and mixed reviews mean you should definitely proceed with caution. It's partially trustworthy, but maybe don't bet your inheritance on it. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and reality checks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.